Hello, beautiful, handsome, or the one that are watching me right now, whatever gender that you are. So it's Gilda Given again, and I normally say, like in the Gilda Given channel, it's all about the self improvement and what we can do behind the scene to become the best version of ourselves. So guess what? In this video, actually, I have prepared this video for those people who have the back issues. All ladies, you understand the postures issues. We always want to stay to sit our back straight, chest out, our neck should be seen. This is like this kind of like beautiful kind of like giraffe. So I think this is a very correct and right video for you that you're going to watch today. So hopefully you're gonna take some experience, ladies. I'm still insisting. Just take your time and watch this video because it's really helpful, and trust me, it's going to really help you to fix your posture problem. Either you're standing or you're just sitting. And for other people, especially for those who have back issues, this is also a helpful video. So just take your time and let me know what you think in the comment box below. I'll be guiding you, so don't worry, I'm not going to leave you, just like the way how I'm talking to you right now. So stick with me and let's see what do we have. But why am I sharing this, guys? I'm a yoga instructor, so I have learned a lot from yoga, and sharing those skills with you, and I just know like it's really going to be helpful to you. So just learn from me today and let me know what you think. Exercise number 1, you have to make sure your arms are prayed straight on your left, on your right, and you have to squeeze them back and forth. So you have to do it for at least 1 minute. I know it's somehow difficult, and when you keep on doing that, you'll feel some pain, but I know you're just starting, so keep on doing that for as long as you can, but also slowly. But if you can make it fussy, just like me, it's all fine. So you just keep on doing that. This is how we fix our posture, or this is how we fix back problems. Exercise number 2, raise your arms up and brings your hands together. You have to squeeze them at the back, on your left, on your right. So as I normally say, for as long as you can, and you have to do it for at least maybe 1 minute. So keep on doing that. I know it's somehow hard, but the moment you keep on doing that, it's kinda bring you some reliefs. So let's do it, guys. Exercise number 3, raise your arms up, yet squeeze them at the back. You have to do that like it's not like you're really controlling, you're really controlling what is going on with your hands, but you just let the movement flow itself. So you have to do it for at least 1 minute. Exercise number 4, raise your arms up, yet squeeze them on your left and on your right. You have to do it slowly, or you can do it fastly, but just do it for as long as you can, and you keep on breathing in and out. exercise number 5 is somehow similar like in exercise number 3, yet if you do it correctly, you'll notice the difference. Now I want you to tell me in the comment box below, what is the difference between the exercise number 3 and the exercise number 5? I would love to hear. Yet if you practice also, you'll really know the difference between the exercise number 3 and the exercise number 5. So the moment you're doing this, you have to do this for at least 1 minute, and you have to do it for as long as you can, and you keep on breathing in and out, in and out. And exercise number 6, the last one, you bring your hands together, yet you raise them up and you put them at the back. So you have to make sure, like the way how you have seen me doing it, you have to do it for at least 1 minute. I know it's somehow hard, yet you just keep on doing this for as long as you can, but you have to maintain on your breathing, breathe in and out for as long as you can, because the moment you keep on breathing, it's actually you're communicating to your body that you're telling your body that you're doing something of worthy, and you just need to produce the energy that is really needed within your body to keep you going. So keep on doing it for at least 1 minute. So as I shared before, the Gilda Given channel is all about you guys. So we're here to improve ourselves, we're here to improve our lives. It's all about the mindfulness, our body, mind and soul, make us fit and whatsoever. Whatever that we can do to become our best version of ourselves, the Gilda Given channel will provide it for you. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I just want to promise you, and maybe it's a secret, more fitness video will be coming very soon. Like every Saturday is the day that I'm releasing new videos, and I have prepared like a bunch of fitness videos, so I'll be sharing with you in this channel. So you have to stick around, stick with me, and invite your friends, invite your friends and friends and your friends of friends, tell your friends of friends to come and join the Gilda Given channel. They have to subscribe and watch whatever that we have in this platform. As I say, this is intended to be your home. Whatever that you feel like you want to chip in, you want to kickstart on something, you want to kickstart on fitness, the personal growth, whatsoever. So always feel free, come at home, the Gilda Given channel. Thank you so much for joining, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, invite friends and guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Let me know what you think in the comment box below about today's video, and I love you. Thank you so much. I love you. See you next time. Bye bye.